So hello guys, today in this tutorial just I will show you how you can create a nap menu. So and this will be the animated menu, and it's a very simple. I will just use HTML, CSS and some little bit of jQuery. Okay, so guys, first of all, here you can see that I already opened a index.html file, and just here I have added some link, that is bootstrap link. You can see here bootstrap CDN link, and this is the Google font link, and here is the link of font awesome, and the last one is custom CSS, that is this one. Okay, and the below of this page jQuery, bootstrap JS and custom JS, but here I will not use custom JS page. Just here I will write our jQuery. So for creating this menu, so I will start. Okay, so in the body tag, first of all, just here I will write div class, and here I will write menu icon, and now I will write span. So inside this span tag I will not write anything, just here you can write class, or you can use this menu icon dot menu icon, this class name, and then span. Okay, you can do this way, but here I will use class. So class is bar, so you can write any name of this class, and now just I will copy 3 times for 3 menu line. So now I will save it, and now just here I will copy this class name from here, and now here I will paste, and now just here I will add some CSS. So first one is position absolute. So this CSS property you don't need to write when you will add this menu icon in your header page, but I am writing this property, CSS property, because I want to show you this menu icon in middle of our page, I mean here. So that's why I'm writing this CSS property. So now top 50%, because I told you I want to show this menu icon middle of this page, and now left 50%, and now translate. That transform property used for transforming our object. So here I want to transform this object, I mean this menu icon in our middle. So that means it will be minus 50% from top and bottom, and minus 50% from left and right. So that's okay. And now here I will write one thing, that is cursor. Cursor is pointer, because when I want to go it on mouse hover, so then that time I want to show the hand icon, so that's why cursor pointer. And now here with 100%, and now height is 100%. Okay, and now just this bar. So now I will create our line, I mean this icon. You have watch this icon, there are 3 lines. So this line I will create using this class. So display block, and now with 100%, and height 20%, and margin top 20%, and I will add some background color. So I want to add here some red color, so this color is perfect. And now here transition. So transition is for animating. So guys, here transition is 0.25s. So let's save and check it once. So here you can see it's added this way. And now guys, Here I have done little bit of wrong, so that is, you can see the menu icon is too big here. So here just I have added a percentage, but here guys it will not percentage, it will be pixel. Okay, so pixel and pixel, and now so you can see, so these three lines are span tag which I used here. This span tag, they are the three span tag, and here inside this span tag I have added some CSS property for these three lines. So that is width to 100%. So guys, here I have added 100% width because this bar, I mean this span tag's parent is this one. So this is with 100 pixel. So if I write 100%, so it will be 100% up to his parent tag, I mean up to his menu icon's parent tag. So here is the 100 pixel, so that means the bar will be 100 pixel also, and height is 20%. So height will be 20%, but 20% means it's 100 pixel minus 20% because its parent is 100 pixel, so it will be 100 pixel from 20% from 100 pixel. Okay, and now margin top 20%. So you don't, if you don't need to write, you can do that, but here you can write it pixel. So margin top because it will for adding some gap, so that's why I have added margin top here. So if I write margin top 0 and let's save it, so you can see it's not added some space, so that's why it's 20%. But guys, you can write as a pixel, it will be better for you. So you can see you can write 20 pixel. Okay, and now just I will add some animate for animating. Okay, so dot animate dot bar dot nth child 1. Okay, so first of all I will write and then I will explain. Transform translate y 40 pixel and rotate 135 degree. So why I'm writing this one, just first of all I will write and then just I will explain. Okay, and now here to opacity 0, and now I will copy the same, just here I will change it 3, and here minus 40 pixel and minus 135 degree. So guys, animate is the another class that I have added, and that class I will use in our jQuery method. So when I will click, so that class I will add in our bar. Okay, so when I will click here, so that time animate class I will add in our menu. And guys, here you can see bar nth child means nth child 1. That means guys, here you can see the 3 line. Okay, first bar, second bar, third bar. So bar, this all classes is bar 1, bar 2, bar 3. So that's why for etching our first line, so so that's why I have written here bar 1. Okay, so bar nth child 1, so that means it's a first line. And when I will click, so just I want to remove this second line, and this line will be moved this way and this line will be moved this way. So this will be make as a cross signs, and the middle line will be removed from here. So that's why opacity 0, and here I have added and I have added minus for moving the last line from bottom to top, and this will from top to bottom. So this way, so you can check this translate y and this rotate value, I mean with do your inspect, and you can check that one. I already did that, so I have written this one. Okay, and now here just I will write jQuery method for our clicking event. So here inside this script tag, so guys here I will do one thing, just I will write here id. Okay, and this one I will change it this. Okay, you can write class also, but here I will write id. This is as per your choice. Okay, and now here dollar and hashtag and this menu icon, because when I will click this menu icon, so that will I will do something. So dot click function and now curly braces, and now just here I will write dollar parenthesis this dot add class, which class I want to add. I told you this animate class I have added, and that class I will add when I will click this one. Okay, so that means when I will click this menu icon, I mean here when I will click, that time here I will add this animate class, and here inside this animate class you can see I have added some CSS property, that is bar in child. That means first line will be move and second child will remove, because here I have added opacity 0. I mean it will remove from our just browser, not our DOM, because I have written opacity 0. I didn't write display none. Okay, and here you can see the third line I also moved. So now just I will refresh, and if I click, so I think I forgot to save here, so save, and now refresh, so you can see okay. So here I have done a wrong add class. That means guys, it's just adding a class when I'm clicking, but when I'm clicking again it's not removing the class. So for adding or for removing, here is the another function method in jQuery, that is toggle class. So I can use toggle class, and now save. Now you can see and here transition 0.2s mistakenly I removed that one. So now you can see it's doing perfect. So you can do that. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and it's a very useful thing, so that's why I had made this video. So please subscribe and press the notification bell icon for more update.